let's go look at the new green room, grow room. It's kind of windy outside, so I just want to say that up front. So when I'm walking out there and you're going to hear a lot of noise, that's why. But guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and this is going to be vlog number 5. Like I said, it's a tornado. But anyway, been a busy day. Last day of my vacation. Gotta go back to my normal work tomorrow. But this is working out really good. Surprise! Oh, is it humid in here? Whew. So now you guys get to see the gist of it. And I got probably another 200 and some plants that have to go in. But they are doing wonderful. On my early jalapenos, Thai peppers, sweet peppers, banana pepper. If this is anise, this is like humongously big, so I'm hoping that's anise. That's what I planted. But everything is doing phenomenal. I'm actually had to pull some buds and some flowers off of some of these, but yeah, you can see they're here. The buds are already starting. I had to pull some flowers off before. So here, guys, this is what I wanted to show you though. See how stocky? This is one that I trimmed. Look how stocky this plant is. I mean, this one has a good stem too, but this one here too is one that I trimmed. Here's some more buds. But she's nice in here. Here's all of our other tomatoes. So we have the Sweet Million, the yellow pear, and then the Amish, and some bull beef masters. This is all basil, some thyme, some more peppers, Actually pulled all of the flowers off of this guy today. Here they are in here. All the muskmelon had flowers on already. Yeah. There's some more up here. We put the tomatoes in a bigger pot. So anyway, guys, this is going to be the grow room for 2.5 weeks as we get ready to get everything going outside. I'm going to try to sneak around the corner. Like I said, the wind is just phenomenal out there. But the big greenhouse is set up, and we planted roughly about 200 cloves of garlic, and right now we got 100 red onions that are in, and them are in the hoop houses out in the back to Eaton garden. But I wanted to get the yellow ones also. It's just getting to be too late. I gotta cook some dinner here and get some other stuff done, and I had to get this done. But anyway, so here's a makeshift greenhouse. It works out really good. It's might as well use my shop for something, huh? Yeah, hang on a second while I put this back up. So we're gonna try to sneak around the corner and give you a shot of the greenhouse, but it's like terribly windy. Maybe if I hide behind a smoker here. So hope you guys can see that, but it is up. We got that one, and we're working on the other stuff here. Let's go see what happened to my the wind is just for tornado weather. See what I mean? So guys, this is going to be a short one. I just wanted to show you the new greenhouse. I shouldn't say greenhouse, grow room. So thanks for watching. You guys share, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. This wind is terrible. Whew. There. No, it's dark. There we go. So like I said, please share, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Appreciate all my new subscribers and all my old ones. You guys mean a lot, so let's keep it up. And hopefully now that we got better weather, we can show you a lot more stuff and actually see some of the things that we do. So you guys take care, God bless, and we will see you in the next one.